Welcome to Mindfulete. This session is designed to reset your breath, sharpen your presence, and bring your system back into balance. If this helps you find clarity today, like the video and subscribe for more Mindfulete meditations. Find a comfortable seat. Let your hands rest wherever they land. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Before you change anything, just notice. Notice the natural length of your inhale. Notice the weight of your exhale. Notice how your body responds without you forcing it. Now soften your shoulders. Loosen your jaw. Let your breath drop lower into your body. Feel how that one breath already shifts something. Not dramatic, just enough to steady the moment. You don't need to breathe better. You just need to breathe on purpose. We're going to build a simple cycle. Nothing intense, nothing sharp. Inhale through the nose for 4. Exhale through the mouth for 6. Let the exhale feel like a long, quiet release, the kind that signals to your system, we're safe, slow down. Again, inhale 4. Exhale 6. As you continue, imagine each exhale clearing static, mental noise dissolving, physical tension dropping, emotional clutter thinning out. Not dramatic, not forced. Just a slow untying from the inside out. Your breath is not simply oxygen. It's pace, it's clarity, it's control. Where the mind rushes, the breath steadies. Where the body tightens, the breath softens. Where pressure builds, the breath creates space. Think of each inhale as fuel. Think of each exhale as release. Fuel, release. You don't need to chase calm. You create it one breath at a time. Now shift into a smoother pattern. Inhale for 4. Hold for 2. Exhale for 6. Let the hold be soft, not tension, just a moment of quiet between breaths. Notice how the breath begins to feel heavier in your body, not burdensome, but anchoring, like gravity giving you a place to land. Breath by breath, you're coming back to yourself. Back to the steady place beneath the noise. Back to the version of you that moves with intention, not reaction. Let your breath return to normal now. Unforced, natural, steady. Notice how different it feels than when you started. Smoother, slower, more deliberate. Bring awareness back to the room. The space around you, the temperature of the air, the weight of your body in the seat. Take one more intentional inhale. And a long, unhurried exhale. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Say quietly to yourself, I breathe with purpose, I move with clarity. If this helped you reset, like the video and subscribe to Mindfulete Meditations.